It's full of pests. Excuse me. Thanks, babe. What's up? Thanks. How about that? Number one. This camera shit. Thank you. In blue. Hold on. Oof. It's my. That was your username right now? Per. No. Second of all, back surgery. I have great posture. I am doing that sweet each other instead of suck. Cause I'm see. For me. How about God? Huh? Wait. 10 p.m. That. Hey Tiff likes me a little bit. That wasn't loud. I burp really loud. Dude. How about? Yeah, Clarence. Steve. Okay. Who burped? A couple weeks ago. Guess right. No, I meant. My fault. Don't tell anybody. Girl. Fortnite. What was the other one? Another woman. Yeah. It's like no. No. It wasn't that. Rid of J names. Yup.
But you didn't know that, so I can't.
I hate him.
Not on camera.
God.
But it did.
A septum. Hold up. This I can't play that one, but dog. Hopefully you got that joke. Got it? Got it. But that was weak. That was, I'll do it for free. Did you accidentally?
You got it.
Another. Sorry.
Good. Well,
Yeah, we can battle.
I better.
And I'm over it. Back in. Feel like I could have just got her. Love that. My fault. No, I can't. There we go. And I give up. How about E and be like, that was weak. Why they keep asking you that question? You don't look like a fuck. But if you burn it, then you be thinking people with voices can do you high. My voice is like high pitch and shit. What if he can still? That's that's funny. I got nobody knows. Boom. How the fuck did you do that? She just wants to take a walk. On the first four buttons. That's the thing about me. R. What the fuck? Hold up.